Hey, we're here with Nintendo Labo. My buddy Russ brought it.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a Switch yet. Show him the box. This isn't an unboxing because he already did one with another friend.
But we're going to unbox it again.
Yeah, re-unboxing.
Yeah.
I hear the music sounds like WarioWare.
Yeah.
Because it's made by them too. Oh, there's so much cardboard.
Yeah, I'm not actually sure who it's made by. Got some little dangle-doos.
Some strings, washers. Cool. A lot of cardboard.
Yeah.
So which one are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do the Toy-Con RC car first because that's simple and doesn't seem like it's gonna take very long.
I want to do the piano, but you said it takes 2 hours to do that.
Well,
so.
I mean, we can still do it, but
Part 2, subscribe. In case you don't know, here's a video showing what Toy-Cons are and what Nintendo Labo is. It's like cardboard physical toys, and the instructions are down here on the gamepad. And so you build it yourself, and then it interacts with the Switch motion sensors and screen in different ways to let you play in new ways that you can't with just a controller. So this one we're like building an RC car that will be remote controlled apparently. Step 1. There are 2 steps.
yeah.
Okay, so we got A, we pop out down here.
Cool.
Okay.
I got the other one.
Oh, because there's a green one and another color or something? Oh, it's just, okay, I see.
Yeah. And the next step is going to be to fold each little crease.
So you're just making sure to cross them like that.
Yep.
Okay. And then insert this into that. Okay. Whoa, there's something. Okay, you got the antenna. This is the most important part. Without the antenna, I don't think it'll transmit correctly.
When I say it goes on top of the gamepad, just
Yeah, it just slides into the same rails as those, I think.
yeah, should be up there. We got plus and minus.
So plus is
Yeah,
here.
so yep, I think there you go.
Okay, so the way this actually works is the controller communicates with the Joy-Cons and they vibrate a little bit, which then kicks up one set of legs more than the other or something, and then because they're angled in that way, it can drive forward, I believe.
Yeah.
Let's clear off. It's not working.
Got the wrong Joy-Cons paired. I pressed the button in my backpack.
Just keep playing and I'll be able to find it fast. Alright, plus minus. I'll put those on the floor actually. It's working! So you can turn, you can go straight by holding both. What's the 2-player button? Oh! Oh! I win!
Oh wow, did it know that?
Oh, it did.
Thank God. No!
Yeah. Now I'll scoop it from the side.
No! No! No!
Let's switch controller. That's the only way to make it fair.
I got it this time, I got it!
3 for 3.
We did it.
So that's Nintendo Labo, everybody. This is available wherever games are sold. How much is it? With the
like
$70?
$70.
About $70 at your local game store.
Yeah.